Welcome back to Built After 5, and today we're gonna be finally looking for that injector circuit problem. Remember on the last video it was showing that I had problems with the injectors. It took me a couple hours, but I was able to track down what the issue was. To find the problem, I used the multimeter to figure out the voltages, and also I did have to use one of these. A lot of people have different ways to find short circuits, but this was able to help me out and find the problem quicker. It worked for me. It may not work for other people. It's just to help you get as close as possible. So it helped me out. I'm okay with that. When I was trying to figure out the problem here, I did check all my fuses, and I did use that multimeter to be able to figure out and make sure every injector plug was receiving power, and everything was coming out right. So that's why it was a little bit weird until I forgot that I was running a plug-in E85 flex fuel kit, and the tool was able to help me out and track that problem. The original harness, it wasn't showing any problems. The 85 harness, it was giving me a short circuit signal, which I had to run it a couple times and see if it was the E85 harness or the OEM harness. So I ended up removing the whole harness and I plugged everything back in, and I'm not seeing any check engine light anymore. So somewhere in this harness there's probably a short or something that got bent while I was doing the valve seals, and it must have broke inside. I haven't opened it yet. I still want to test out and see where that short is at. You guys can see no check engine light no more. Prior to this video I did turn it on for about 15-20 minutes and nothing pops up. Before, when I did have the E85 harness connected, the check engine light would pop up. Right now you guys see that I turned it on, nothing has popped up, so that means we are good to go. You guys want me to check on here also? Let's read the code. There you go, guys. Back to normal again. We scanned for codes and nothing pops up, so we are good. I do have emissions due this month, so we definitely want to get this running good, and we're gonna take this for a drive. Driving the Jeep right now, and we're testing and seeing if we're getting any check engine lights. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I ran this about 60 miles overall today, and no check engine light came back. So we found the problem, and it was the flex fuel kit for the E85. I think we're good. I'm gonna keep driving this truck around and see if anything pops up, but I think at the moment we should be good. We're gonna finish up this video with some Oberweis. Got some for the family. See you guys on the next build after 5.